Let's start. In this video, I'll be talking about Second World War. Would you imagine what events of First World War caused? The Second World War, one of history's most significant and deadliest conflicts, left widespread destruction in its wake, necessitating extensive reconstruction efforts. However, our understanding of its complexities remains incomplete. Have you heard about that the origins of the Second World War go back to the events of the Industrial Revolution? The origins of the Second World War can be traced back to the aftermath of the Industrial Revolution, which fueled tensions among nations. The First World War, erupting in 1914, served as a precursor to the global conflict that followed. I have been studying about the Second World War during 2 days, and I can say that this is the most horrible event in the history. And continuing with the event sometime later, Germany, grappling with economic turmoil after World War One, saw the rise of Adolf Hitler and the Nazi Party, who militarized the country and targeted various groups, laying the groundwork for war. Hitler's invasion of Poland in 1939 sparked the conflict, drawing Britain and France into battle. The Axis powers, led by Germany, Italy, and Japan, clashed with the Allies, comprising nations like France, Britain, the United States, the Soviet Union, and China. Swift advances by Germany, they had been including the occupation of Paris and persecution of Jews, marked the early stage of the war. The invasion of the Soviet Union and Japan's attack on Pearl Harbor further seriously escalated the conflict, prompting increased Allied involvement. Over time, Allied forces gained momentum, leading to pivotal victories and the eventual fall of Berlin in 1945, followed by Hitler's suicide. Japan's surrender, precipitated by the devastating atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, marked the war conclusions. Amid relief, the end of the war prompted introspection as nations grappled with the aftermath and committed to rebuilding a more peaceful world. After having read about the events in Second World War, I hopefully that this never could happen again. Now in the present we have a lot of ways to solve problems and more intelligence and known that a war is not necessary and that is not the way for reach the world peace. Also we know that the all countries have resolved his differences until now. If I had been Hitler, I would have tried to find other ways to solve the economic problems that my country was going through and would not have caused a second world war. I would have proposed ideas to improve things, since anything else is always better than reaching the violence the Second World War caused millions of deaths. I wish that Adolf Hitler had not started World War II, since this was the bloodiest event and many lives were lost thanks to this. And I wish all those countries would make Germany end up badly economically, so all of this could have been avoided. Thank you.